Make your spaghetti as per the instructions on the back, normally 10-15 minutes depending. I prefer to use real, but today demands the use of my special chopping board. Austria 2016. Chop your tomatoes or use cherry ones cut in half. Then prepare your chilli and your garlic. Homegrown chilli, Yorkshire, last year. Then your flat leaf parsley, which we grew outside in our little herb garden, which is basically organic Himalayan coffee grounds. Heat some oil, the oil's looking nice and hot, and basically just add in your ingredients and let them sort of sizzle for a couple of minutes.
Oh, that's smelling good. Just leave it for another minute.
Let's add in the wine. Come on, let's get it going now. And let that sort of, I think it's called something, isn't it, when it all disappears. Let's add in the seafood. God, there's enough there for an army. And a bit of salt, a bit of pepper, and let that simmer for a while. I just forgot. You've got to have a spot of wine yourself. Very nice. Drain the pasta. Add the pasta. Give it a good stir. Cover it for a few minutes and I'll be back. And here we have it, my sort of seafood linguine. And I'm going to catch up with what the explorers have been doing with a glass of wine. Enjoy.
Don't forget to follow, subscribe, like, comment and ring the bell.
Now you've been told.